Good morning, students. Today we will study extrinsic semiconductor. Already you know the pure semiconductor is known as intrinsic semiconductor. Here you see, I have taken a crystal lattice of germanium or silicon. In the germanium or silicon, in the outermost orbit, there are 4 electrons and all the electrons are engaged in the bond formation. So almost there is no electron. But due to temperature, room temperature, some bonds will break. So few electrons will become free. In the extrinsic semiconductor, we will add impurity in the pure semiconductor. प्योर सेमीकंडक्टर के में इम्प्योरिटी ऐड करेंगे. तो दो तरह के एक्सट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर हैं, एक है एन टाइप, एक है पी टाइप. तो पहले हम फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर. इन एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर वी ऐड पेंटावैलेंट इम्प्योरिटी like arsenic, antimony, phosphorus. Then what will happen? Suppose one atom is doped. Doped means in the lattice one atom is placed. Then what will happen? The atom will remove one of the atom of the lattice and the removed atom will be attached somewhere in the lattice. Suppose this atom is removed, then what will happen? Here arsenic or antimony or phosphorus atom will be placed and in it there are 5 electrons. You see, all the 4 electrons are engaged in the bond formation and 1 electron is free. This is free electron. Free electron. As you know, electron is negative charge, so it is known as n-type semiconductor. इसलिए इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? n-type semiconductor. And the atom which provides this free electron is known as donor atom. इस एटम को हम कहेंगे डोनर, जिसने इलेक्ट्रॉन को डोनेट किया है. डोनर एटम. Okay, what will happen to the energy level diagram? Here you see, in the valence band, conduction band, there will be some gap known as forbidden gap. Already we have discussed. In the semiconductor, this gapping is less than 3 electron volt. So, if we add few impurity atom, then what will happen? The electron will be in the conduction band. So donor level will be slightly below the conduction level. And this is energy level diagram of n-type semiconductor. We can also write our n-type semiconductor by this figure. Here you see, simply प्लस के ऊपर हमने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ड्रा कर दिया. It is shortcut symbol of n-type semiconductor. Shortcut symbol of n-type semiconductor. Here electron is free electron and this plus is known as donor ion. Okay? And if there are some minority charge carrier like hole, तो ये फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर, मेजॉरिटी, क्योंकि ये these are arise due to doping and this hole is known as minority. Minority means इनकी संख्या क्या है? बहुत कम. Minority charge. Okay, clear? Now p-type semiconductor. In p-type semiconductor, we will add trivalent impurity like aluminum, boron, gallium, indium. What will happen? The added atom will remove one of the atom of the germanium silicon crystal lattice, and the removed atom will be attached somewhere in the lattice because it is of same variety. Suppose aluminum atom is placed here, then what will happen? The plus 3 aluminum, the 3 electrons of aluminum are engaged in bond formation, and here there is a vacancy, and this vacancy is known as hole, और इस vacancy को हम कहते हैं hole. If somehow one electron will come here, then the bond will be formed. Okay. Now suppose if due to breaking of bond this electron will go there, then what will happen? This bond will be formed, but vacancy is created here. So you see the movement of hole is opposite to the movement of electron. Holes का movement electron की क्या है? Opposite है. In some book it is written that holes are positive charge. It is fully wrong. Holes have no charge. Holes means vacancy. Hole may be treated as positive. ध्यान दीजिए, hole may be treated as positive. Treated as positive with respect to electron. With respect to electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन के रिस्पेक्ट में होल को हम पॉजिटिव कह सकते हैं. ओके. और शॉर्टकट रिप्रेजेंटेशन में हम पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर को इस तरह से दिखाएंगे. ये माइनस है या माइनस होल, एंड इट इज दिस इज होल, एंड होल हियर इन पी टाइप इज मेजॉरिटी charged area, and if there are some electron arise due to breaking of bond, so it is known as minority, minority, and the atom which want to accept the electron is known as acceptor ion. Acceptor ion. One very important question generally asked in the exams, competitive exam, what is net charge of n-type semiconductor? So net charge of n-type semiconductor is 0, because in the neutral semiconductor lattice you have added a neutral atom. So net charge of n-type semiconductor is 0. In the same manner, net charge of p-type semiconductor is 0. P-type semiconductor is 0. Okay. So now in the next video we will study p-n junction.